It was today when I realized that I could unsubscribe from all spam in my Gmail and delete all spam all in one place. And I want to show you how to do the same thing. First, I'm going to show you how to do it from the computer. Then I'm going to show you how to do it from your phone. First, we're going to click here on the top three dots. Burp, 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 burp. Then we're just going to bring this all the way down to manage subscriptions. Then it's gonna have everything listed that's sending you any kind of spam. It's only gonna say, it could be 1,000, but it's gonna say 20 plus emails if it's a lot. So all you have to do, come over here, is click on that, and it'll pull up every single email that specific email sent you. And you can just go up here. Where is it? Oh yeah, here we go. Click the box and just delete everything. Boom. Then you can go back to the exact same place and unsubscribe. Boom. Now for the phone, you're going to click the top three dots in the top left that you see from your Gmail in your phone. Then you're going to scroll down to managed subscriptions, same as on the PC, well, the laptop or PC. And then you're going to see all the emails that sent you whatever, and then you can choose to delete it or not. Then with the the little mails with the little strip in front of them on the right side, you can choose to unsubscribe from that also, all in the exact same place. So I hope this helps. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more.